really like you, I say I don't. I really like to tell you but I won't. Gotta be careful, don't wanna say what I've been feeling if you're not feeling the same. I'm not good at reading between the lines.
Congratulations. Why you're on a roll if you feel like you gotta make... Although actually I'm really... That wasn't a real date. What the...
Having lunch, so I was thinking to apply this face pack because my face is kind of oily. I'm going to apply this face pack and relax for a bit. Also, before applying the pack, I'm going to wash my face with this Multani Mitti face wash. This is Multani Mitti and Bulgarian Rose for oil control and acne. I don't have much acne, thank God, but I do have kind of like oily skin, so we are going to wash my face off with this and apply the mask. So yeah, during the summer, because of the sweat, the oiliness increases and this leads to dullness and breakouts, and incorporating Multani Mitti and rose water on a daily basis is not convenient, but with Mamaearth's Multani Mitti face wash, we have a easy way to incorporate the goodness of Multani Mitti in our day-to-day life. This face wash actually controls oil and acne and also promotes hydration and even skin tone. The key ingredients for both of the face wash and the face pack are Multani Mitti, which absorbs excess oil and fights acne, and Bulgarian Rose, which promotes hydration and saves skin from over drying. And also cannot forget to mention the smell. The smell of these products are super good. I really love the smell. As you all know, every time you purchase from Mamaearth, they directly link your order to a tree. Also, all the Mamaearth products are available in stores near you. You can also get them online on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. If you're purchasing, you can use my code STUDYT2023. I'll provide all the links in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out and do let me know. So I'm getting ready for Eid shopping because I haven't selected outfit yet, so we need to find one today or else I'm screwed. So yeah, I'm applying sunscreen. Yeah, this morning I didn't do much. I got up and started getting ready because that's what my mom said. Get ready, we have to go. I'm done getting ready. Are we done? Yes, finally we're ready. So I'll go hopefully find a dress, an outfit. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm shopping.
Like you, I say I don't. I really like to tell you, but I won't. Gotta be careful, don't wanna say what I've been feeling if you're not feeling the same. I'm not good at reading between the lines, but I'm not sure you're leaving me any signs. So could you say what's on your mind? If I said I want you, would you want me to? And would you really want me or just something new? Cause some things never change, are you okay with that? And that might be a problem, I should say it's bad enough that I'm bad in love. But if loving me is something you still wanna do, just want me to, want me to. Cause I've been going crazy trying to keep it in my chest, acting like there isn't something I wanna confess, when I'm dying to admit you